This tutorial will guide you through the process, helping you organize multiple meshes, textures, and materials into a single manageable blueprint actor that can be easily reused across your project. Make a folder where you want to import your mesh and textures. Drag and drop your FBX, textures, and materials into the content drawer. Move your textures and materials into the proper folders. In the content browser, right-click and select Blueprint class. From the dialog window, select Actor for the static mesh. Rename the blueprint and double-click on it. In the Components panel, add a static mesh component and rename it. In the Details panel, select your FBX. Compile and save the blueprint. Drag and drop the blueprint into your scene. If you make any changes to your static mesh in your external software, you can re-import the FBX file. Once you make any changes back in Unreal Engine, right-click on the FBX file and choose Re-import. Compile and save your blueprint. By importing an FBX file as a blueprint actor in UE5, you can streamline asset management, especially for complex models that consist of multiple parts. This method simplifies scene organization and allows for quick re-importing, making it ideal for projects that require frequent adjustments to 3D assets. Thanks for following along with this tutorial. If you found this helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe. Have a good day.